Welcome back to this lecture. Now in this lecture, we're going to prepare a second chart, that is second column chart, as part of this visualization monthly performance for entire products for entire company throughout the year. And the second chart would be for the gross profit. So go back to our data here and select till mean GP percentage like this for entire year. Go to insert, again 2D cluster column like this. Let's put it down here, increase the width, and here select data, and here we don't need sales, we only need GP, max GP percentage, mean GP percentage. Click OK. Now here these two series needs to overlap 100%, so select any of it, format data series. In format data series, go to series overlap and make it 100% like this. You can close it now. Now you can see the yellow bar, which you're going to change the color of course, is for the max GP, and the blue bar, the bright blue bar, is for the mean GP. So let's change the color. So double click on it, go to fill, solid fill, our usual green color, light green color, and ensure that you have selected mean GP series. So go to format and ensure that here it is mean GP percentage. Go to solid fill again and select this color. For the regular gross profit, you can change color to something else. So I'm going to choose a blue color, light blue, something like this. We don't need grid lines, just delete them. And we also don't need axis on the left side. And here we don't need legends, and chart title also we don't need, but we do need data labels like this. Now let's select the chart and remove the shape fill, that is make it transparent and outline. And again we need to use the same trick. We need to bring this chart up like this and ensure that the size of the bar is similar to that of the GP. As you can see, a little bit thickness is required. So now it looks okay, and we need to increase the width. That looks okay. Slide here. And let's use the keystrokes like down arrow key and align it. Of course, we don't need this much height. So the entire chart, reduce the height and use the keyboard up and down arrow key to adjust. And here we're gonna put axis titles. We don't need at the bottom, we don't only need at the side. It should be GP percentage. And again select the entire chart, go to home, select the font, Lato, bold it, and dark black color. Now as we did with this other chart, for the net profit we just copied the gross profit chart and changed the data. We're going to do same here. We're going to select this entire chart, Control C, Control V like this. So we just need to align horizontally the size. And here let's change the name to NP percentage. And now let's change the data. So right click, select data. Instead of GP percentage, edit. We need NP percentage, and for the values we need to select NP percentage. For the max GP we want max NP, so edit, select here this cell, and for the data value series we need this series. For the mean GP, instead of that we want mean NP, and the series values would be this. Click OK. OK. Now again the colors have changed, but that's fine, we can always change it. So go back to format and select max NP. In format data series solid fill, we want light green, and again select the chart, go to format, select series mean NP percentage solid fill in the fill options and choose this color. Now here the formatting have changed for the axis, but we can fix that. So in the axis option, go to number, here formatting, select date, and here we want this date format like this. Now let's bring in the alignment like this. Looks okay. Use the down arrow key and select add data labels. And now you can see our second visualization is ready. So now we can give title. Okay. Now here this chart is not aligned well, so let's do that again. So select this, use the arrow key and increase the width like this. Now looks okay. Bring it down. Similarly, this chart for NP percentage, also you can select it and bring it up. Looks okay. And now you need to select each chart by holding Control like this. Go to shape format, group, group. Now this entire visualization, all these three charts are part of the same object. So you can move them and you can change the size. It doesn't matter, it will stick along and there wouldn't be any distortion. So that's our second visualization ready. Now we don't need this axis everywhere, this date axis, because this entire visualization shows that data is from Jan to December 20. So we can keep only one, and I would like to keep it at the bottom. So to do that and to remove this, we need to select each chart like this, select the axis like this and go to format axis options, and here for the labels, instead of next to axis, select none. So now that Jan to December axis is gone. Similarly for this second chart, that is gross profit, go to labels, select none. And now we only have axis for this, which is correct. Now we can know that this entire visualization is for Jan to December 20, and we can see it from here. You can always keep it here as well, it's up to you, but I think that it would look better here at the bottom. You can always remove this line as well. To remove that, select the line and go to the format axis in the fill and select no line. So if you select no line, it will disappear. Right, so I think this looks okay. I can still reduce the font to 11. So our second set of visualization is ready, showing monthly performances from Jan to December like this. So that's about it for our second visualization. And if you have any questions, if you need any clarification regarding this entire process, please let me know in the Q&A section below. Thank you so much for watching.